Tired of static documents? Let's unlock the power of interactive agreements by mastering checkboxes in Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account and open the document you'd like to edit. Click on the Edit button to enter the editing environment. On the left-hand panel, you'll find the Standard Fields section. Scroll down until you see the checkbox icon. Click and drag this icon onto your document where you want the checkbox to appear. Now, resize the checkbox by dragging the handles to adjust its size to fit your document layout. Ensure it's clearly visible and easily clickable. Next, customize the checkbox's properties on the right-hand panel. You can change the name field to something descriptive, like Optimus letter. This is important for data tracking. To make your form even smarter, you can set conditional rules. For example, make another field visible only if the checkbox is checked. This lets you capture extra info with ease. If a response is absolutely necessary, mark the checkbox as a required field in the Properties panel. This ensures signers acknowledge and interact with it. Before sending, always preview your document by clicking the Preview button. This allows you to interact with the checkboxes as a recipient would, catching any errors or alignment issues. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create interactive forms with checkboxes in Docusign, streamlining data collection and boosting efficiency in your electronic agreements.